The voices of healthcare employees are being heard by Mayo Clinic as frontline workers continue to fight for higher wages. We're looking ahead to a negotiation session planned for tomorrow between the Service Employees International Union and the health giant. KIMT News 3's Emma Esteve is live outside of the Methodist Hospital in Rochester. Emma, SEIU is considering using an arbitrator if a deal isn't struck. Is that right?
Yes, Jess, that is right. And just as a reminder, about a week ago, those union employees were here out in front of the Methodist Hospital picketing about those higher wages. And organizer Hallie Wallace tells me that she believes that Mayo Clinic heard them. And at their last negotiation meeting, Mayo Clinic did increase its offer, but Wallace still says that that number is not what the union is looking for. The union is asking for a $20 minimum wage for employees such as sterile processing technicians, certified surgical technologists, and patient care assistants. The union and Mayo have already met 5 times to negotiate this wage opener. Mayo Clinic's most recent offer was a max wage increase of 4.35% for long-term employees of 20 years or more. Wallace tells me an agreement isn't finalized tomorrow. Each side will be able to take their cases to an arbitration panel. She went on to say this process is nothing compared to the fight frontline workers faced every day during the pandemic.
It's become more and more clear since 2020, when the pandemic started, that healthcare workers are some of the strongest people that carried us through all of this, and they have been really beaten down. And the least we can do is allow them to have the wages where they're able to take care of their family.
And Jess, I also reached out to Mayo Clinic, who provided me with a statement in part saying, quote, "We met last week and will meet again this week with the goal of progress during each session. Mayo Clinic will continue to bargain in good faith to reach a mutually beneficial agreement," end quote.
All right. Thank you, Emma, for that continuing coverage of these negotiations. The SEIU also says full contract negotiations for St. Mary's Hospital will be taking place at the end of the month.